Can you imagine a life on Earth with more than one moon? Well, Saturn has 82 moons. In addition to being known for its stunning rings, only a few of you know that Saturn is the solar system's leader in terms of the number of moons it has. Furthermore, some of its moons are incredibly bizarre. So watch this video to know more about Saturn and its moons. The moon you'll likely see tonight is one of only 3 moons shared by Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, in Mars's 4 inner planets, along with Mars's Phobos and Deimos. But if you get past the asteroid belt, you'll find yourself in moon territory, where at least a dozen frozen objects are believed to be around each outer giant. However, the party has only just begun. The celestial scoreboard isn't all that important, but for the record, it presently has Jupiter at 79 moons, Saturn at 82 moons, Uranus at 27 moons, and Neptune at only 14 moons. Well, 14 is still better than 1, I guess. Some of the moons of Saturn are among the biggest in the solar system, like Titan, which is bigger than even the planet Mercury. Others have distinctive qualities while being smaller than our moon. So let's look at Saturn's top 5 largest moons: Titan, Rhea, Iapetus, Enceladus, and Dione. Titan is the only celestial object outside our planet where stable bodies of surface liquid have been discovered. It is also the largest moon of Saturn and the second largest moon in the solar system. Titan has a diameter of 5,149 kilometers, or 3,199 miles, and a radius of 2,574 kilometers, or 1,599 miles, making it 50% greater in diameter than Mercury. Saturn's 6th gravitationally rounded moon is frequently referred to as a planet-like moon. Titan is the only moon now known to have a dense atmosphere, primarily composed of ice and rocky material. This thick atmosphere is similar to that of Venus. Its main constituent is nitrogen, and its climate is similar to Earth's in that it contains winds and rain, which produce dunes, rivers, lakes, oceans, and deltas on the surface. Methane and ethane liquids make up the majority of the liquid bodies. On Titan, the temperature is roughly 93.7 Kelvin, or negative 179.5 degrees Celsius. Next is Rhea, the 9th largest moon in the solar system and the 2nd largest moon of Saturn. Rhea is roughly 1,527 kilometers, or 948 miles in diameter, and has a radius of 763 kilometers, or 474 miles. It is smaller than our moon by more than 2 times. After the dwarf planet Ceres, Rhea is regarded as the second smallest celestial object in the solar system, for which accurate measurements have proven to form consistent with hydrostatic equilibrium. Rhea is an icy planet composed of roughly 25% rock and 75% water ice. Some people think that this moon has a homogeneous interior and no core under the surface. Another one of Saturn's moons is a 900-mile-wide moon, Iapetus, with dark and light sides. Iapetus has a significant temperature differential between its daytime and nighttime sides because it rotates slowly once every 79 days. Just imagine, you see daylight after 50 or so days. That would be a crazy experience. As a result, one half of the moon has a lighter tint and is significantly colder than the other throughout eons due to runaway freeze effect. At its equator, Iapetus also has a distinctive mountain range. This ridge, about 6 miles high and 800 miles long, might have existed before the moon was formed. Iapetus looks like a giant walnut from its mountain range, situated on the darker, browner side. Iapetus is said to be composed mainly of stony rocks and ice because of its low density. In a surprising turn of events, one of Saturn's moons, MIMAS, looks suspiciously like the Death Star from Star Wars. It's a planet of suffering, with a huge crater covering almost half the surface of the moon. The impact shook the moon's surface so violently that it struggled to stay together. Enceladus is probably Saturn's moon, which is the most active. It has geysers that shoot out water vapor powerful enough to escape the surface. This debris is a trail of Enceladus's orbit as it travels around Saturn. Enceladus even created a ring on its own. Well, good job at trying to copy Saturn. Dione is one of Saturn's largest inner moons. Dione, the 15th biggest moon in the solar system, is approximately 1,122 kilometers, or 697 miles in diameter, and 561 kilometers, or 348 miles in radius. Dione is the 15th largest moon in the solar system, yet it has a weight greater than all the smaller moons. 2/3 of Dione's bulk is made up of water ice, and the remaining third comes from its inner core of silicate rock. There is also a possibility that Dione, like Enceladus, has an interior ocean of liquid salt water. That was it for this video. What do you think about this magical planet of rings and all the moons it has? Tell us in the comment box below. And if you want more such videos, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to our channel.